Bless up.
Ghost! Gang! What is up with y'all, young boys? Today I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Dig. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all those links are in the description of this video. Hit that subscribe button, bro. Join the dopest family on YouTube. Join the Ghost Gang. Motherfucking family, my nigga. You did what I said, bro. Hit that like button, bro. Let's get into it, man. Yeah. As you guys seen in the title and the thumbnail, we are talking about the Air Jordan 5 alternate BEL-AIRs. BEL-AIR alternate 5s, ghost green, BEL-AIR 5s, Air Jordan 5, ghost green. Look, man, these are the alternate BEL-AIR 5s, bro. But on that sneakers app, they're calling it Air Jordan 5 ghost greens. So, but in this video, we are gonna call these, we're just gonna say the BEL-AIR 5s, all right? We ain't gonna say the alternate BEL-AIR 5s, even though they are. We're just gonna say the BEL-AIR 5s. All right, I'll probably end up calling that shit something different throughout the video anyway. But these are set to release August 9th for $190. But wait. These are only gonna be released on the sneakers app on August 9th. These are not gonna be released to select retailers, okay? These will be released on a wider scale on August 15th. That means you can get them at Foot Locker, Finish Line, Champs, etc. You did what I'm saying, but I don't know why they're splitting up the release date to, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why they're doing it. I was trying to look and see why they do shit like that, but I couldn't find anything on it. But in my opinion though, these shoes are fire, dog. I love the BEL-AIR series. I didn't know, which, I mean, I'm pretty sure you did know, because if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you are into sneakers. But if you didn't know and you're new to sneakers, the first original BEL-AIR 5 released in the, I believe it was 2013. 2013 they released for like $185, which is pretty good. Now it was $185 back then, and now you paying down there $200, $190. Oh, actually, that's not too bad. That's a $5, okay. Ain't too bad actually. But like $185 back then was like for like an exclusive. So I think it was a little, I think Jordan was like $180. I don't know. It was weird. I forgot how the pricing was back in 2013. But I think the original ones might be better. I don't know, man. It's a close one. I just like the darker gray. I like the darker gray. I see what they did. They got a little bit of a light gray on the newer ones, the alternate version. But the darker gray, I just like that look on it. If they would have re-retro those, that would have been lit. But I understand, like with like certain shoes like this, you can't like re-retro it. You know what I'm saying? You could re-retro like OG colorways, but like that's just like saying you trying to re-retro the All-Star 6. Like you can't do that. You know what I'm saying? Like bringing it back All-Stars, that'd be kind of retarded. I don't know. I don't think that would be a good look. But I understand why they bring out alternate versions of certain like new colorways. You feel me? Because that will make sense that you re-retro fucking like a new color. I mean, I get why they're doing it, but the 2013 version, I fuck with it. Just a slight bit more than the new one. The only difference is this is a lighter, cool gray on the alternate version, which is going to get dirty, man. Bro, that shit is gonna get dirty like a motherfucker. I feel like those are gonna get dirty so easy, bro. Like I just already know it, cause it got that Hair 7 look to it, that Hair 7 type of gray on it. And now also, I don't know if these are reflective or not, but if these are like a 3M on it, bro, that would say these are over the edge, dog. I don't know. It looks like it could have that 3M look on it. I don't know what type of material is on it yet, but it looks like it's like a nubuck kind of. I don't know, I don't know how to describe that material. I don't want to say nubuck, but I don't know. But if it has like a 3M like reflective on it, bro, that shit would set this shoe off. Like these would be one of those ones, you dig what I'm saying? But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. Do you like these over the original ones, the 2013 pair? Which one is best to you, bro? Like I said, bro, I'm fucking with the 2013 versions a little bit more, because I feel like those are a little bit more easier to take care of, and you could probably like wear those out a lot. Damn, I just cracked the fuck out of my knuckles. and you can probably wear those out a lot and not really worry about them getting too dirty. Like with these, you gotta be super careful just because the material is so light, you feel me? So let me know, bro. Like I said, $190 on the sneakers app on August 9th, and then they're gonna release on August 15th, $190 to like the Foot Lockers, Finish Line, Champs, Foot Action, select retailers, man. Y'all know how that go, bro. But yeah, man, dope shoe. 2020 has been a decent year for shoes, I'm not gonna lie. But this whole last few months that we have left of 2020, the Jordan brand about to pipe up for sure. They're about to pipe up on some shit because they got some stuff coming out, and I'm looking forward to it, man. I'm really looking forward to the holiday season, bro, of the shoes. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm excited, man, because it's a lot of cool shit coming out. Pretty sure they're gonna be coming out with some more Air Jordan 1s. I think they're gonna shock drop some Air Jordan 1s in the future. Just be aware, like, getting close to that holiday season, like more like around that December, I think it's just gonna be like a random shock drop of just some ones, bro. Cause you know what I'm saying, it's the season of giving. So I just feel like something crazy gonna happen. Mark this video, I'm telling you, mark this video down. I'm telling y'all, bro, watch, bro. They're gonna do some shock drops around November, December, bro. The season of giving, they gonna randomly drop a pair, like a restock, a crazy restock on one of these foot sizes, I'm telling you. But let me know, bro. And also, I seen today, bro, they were talking about some Supreme Air Jordan 1 collabs. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Like, fucking Air Jordan 1 brand is not big enough already, dog. Like, that's crazy, but I seen that. I'll be making a video on that sooner or later, probably close to the release date. But I think that's supposed to be releasing sometime next year, so 2021. Hopefully 2021 is better than 2020, but hopefully. But anyways, bro, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the Ghost Gang fam. I don't know why you haven't done it already, bro. You just looked at this whole video not to subscribe? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the dopest family on YouTube. Hit that like button, bro. Let's run up the likes for the culture. Keep grinding, keep succeeding, man. Keep your eye on the prize, bro. Do not give up. Do not let 2020 be a distraction for what you got going on in your life and your goals, bro. Keep staying inspired, bro. Keep dreaming big. Always remember, you cannot get time back. You can't make up for time. It's impossible. You can't go back in time. So you might as well, every day, if you got an opportunity to work towards your goal, make sure you are doing something. It don't gotta be a lot. Just make sure you are doing something to work towards your goal, because you cannot get that time back. You dig what I'm saying? It is the one and only Majorkixx.
Boy, you gotta keep a gun, cause this shit get hella scared. My dog just got up out of jail, innocent.
Anyways, hey look, man, look. I know do-rag kicks in the building, but y'all gotta understand, but I do got no 360s. Do not get it full up. Hold on, let me get right. I don't know if y'all can catch it. This not, I only got no cut either. No cut. No cut, you feel me?